morning to all of you. Happy Republic Day to all. Today I, Aryan Jain, with my classmates present a small skit on fundamental duties. But before we move towards our skit, let me tell you about fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are the part 4th under Article 51 of the Constitution. Our fundamental rights empowers us and tell us about our duties as a responsible citizen and to be a proud Indian. Some fundamental duties are: first, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Second, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Third, to value and preserve rich heritage, our composite culture. Fourth, defend the country and render national service when called up to do so. Fifth, to develop scientific temper, humanism and spirit of inquiry and reform.
Once in a market, Sonu was going to purchasing some vegetable. Because of tomorrow will be Republic Day, so many shopkeepers were selling the national flag of our country called Tiranga. When Sonu was going back to his home, he purchased a small flag and just started playing with it.
Didi, please give me this national flag. What's the price of it?
This one?
Yes.
Only 5 rupees. Did you want to purchase it?
Yeah, sure.
Take it. After purchasing the flag, Sonu was going back to his home.
Na 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 na. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा ये.
Sonu threw the national flag while going to his home. This activity is seen by his teacher. Then what happened you will see now.
Hey Sonu, come back.
Oh my God.
Yes ma'am. Good morning ma'am.
Good morning. Do you know what is this?
Yes ma'am, this is our national flag.
So what should we do with our national flag?
Ma'am, we should always give respect to our national flag.
So why did you throw it on the road on 26th January? On 15th of August, did you forget what we will do in our school?
Yes ma'am, I am extremely sorry for that. I will never repeat this mistake again and I will always give respect to our national flag.
That's like a good girl.
Introduction of the topic. Public property is a property which can be used by everyone and we shall observe violence too.
Wow, what a beautiful monument. Let me write my name on this.
Why are you writing your name in this monument?
I am writing because I want everyone to read it and then I shall become famous.
Are you mad? Do you think that you will become famous after writing this name on your monument?
Why are you shouting? Do not know it is a public place.
That's what I'm trying to tell this girl, but she's not understanding that.
No, it is a government place. Why are you shouting?
Sorry guys, I shouldn't have written my name on this monument and sorry for shouting at you. Thanks for making me understand.
As you all saw, we should not use the public property and should protect it and observe violence.
Hey, why are you cutting this tree? I am cutting this tree to sell it and get money. There are other ways also. You can use them to gain money. No, I will cut this tree only because I am cutting 2 trees. But there are thousands of trees in this world.
If everyone will think like you, so the one day the whole world will be destroyed, including you and I. So this is our fundamental duty to protect the earth and the wildlife.
Yes, you are saying right. Sorry, from today I will never cut a single tree. So it is our fundamental duty to protect wildlife and nature.
Excuse me. Hi. Yes.
Hello.
I want to ask one question.
Yes, please.
What's your age?
I am 12 years old.
And are you going to school?
No.
Why?
My parents not allowing me to go to school, and I am not having enough money to pay fee.
But you can go. So you can go to government of school. They are not taking the fee.
Go.
They are not taking the fee.
But my parents not allowing me.
But you are having the right to go to school. You are having the right to educate.
Go.
It's the 11th law of our constitution that everyone can go to school for education.
Thank you for advice. I asking for one go. I will go. I will ask from my parents to
Go.
allow me go to school.
Is that who is parent or guardian to provide opportunities to his child, or she case may be a vote between the age of 6 or 14 years.
Some of other fundamental duties which should be followed by each Indian citizen are to promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood among all people of India, whether of any religion, language, regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practice derogatory to the dignity of woman. Second, to safeguard public property and abjure violence. Third, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rise to higher levels of endeavor and achievements. Thank you and happy Republic Day to all of you.